Hello, so in today's class we will look at few problems on finding the asymptotes, then equation of hyperbola and equation of conjugate hyperbola. So the first problem is to find the equation of the hyperbola whose asymptotes are x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0 and which passes through the point 1 minus 1. So therefore, the equation of the hyperbola and the equation of the asymptote that differ by a constant. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ലാസ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നമ്മൾ റിലേഷൻസ് കണ്ടു അസിംപ്റ്റോട്ടും കോൺജുഗേറ്റ് ഹൈപ്പർബോളയും തമ്മിലുള്ള റിലേഷൻസ്. So the equation of hyperbola will be a plus lambda dash equal to 0, and if you are given a point on the hyperbola we can evaluate the value of lambda dash. Okay, so now a will be the equation of the asymptote. So a equal to 0 will be the equation of the asymptote. So here you are given the two asymptotes. അപ്പോൾ a എന്ന് പറയുന്ന pair of asymptotes in the equation ആണ്. So that will be product of this two. So a will be x plus 2y plus 3 plus 3x plus 4y plus 5. So when you have a plus lambda dash equal to 0, so we will get the equation in the form. So when I multiply this, I will get 3x square plus 4xy plus 5x plus 6y plus 8y square plus 10y plus 9x plus 12y plus 15 plus lambda dash equal to 0. So you will get this upon simplifying. So 3x square plus 8y square plus 10xy plus 14x plus 22y plus 15 plus lambda dash equal to 0. Now we are given that 1, 1 is a point on the hyperbola. So let us substitute the point 1, 1 into this equation. So that will give 3 plus 8, then minus 10 varum, plus 14 minus 22 plus 15 plus lambda dash equal to 0. So this is the equation. So upon simplifying, we will get lambda dash equal to minus 8. So therefore the equation of hyperbola will be, so that will be a plus lambda dash equal to 0. So this is the equation, a plus lambda dash. So constant, okay, to this equation, so 15 minus 8 varum, so that will give us 7. So this is the required equation. And the second problem is to find the equation of the hyperbola which has the same asymptotes as those of 3x square minus 2xy minus 5y square plus 7x minus 9y equal to 0, and which passes through the point 2, 2. So again here also we need to find the equation of hyperbola, and തന്നിരിക്കുന്നതാണ് the asymptotes are same as of this one. Okay, അപ്പോൾ ഈ കർവിൻ്റെ asymptote എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് again a plus lambda dash equal to 0 ആയിരിക്കും അതിൻ്റെ asymptotes. So this is your a value and you have lambda dash equal to 0 plus lambda dash equal to 0. ഈ ഹൈപ്പർബോളയിലെ പോയിന്റ് 2, 2 വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. 2, 2 സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്ത് ലാംഡ ഡാഷിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക. So the equation of hyperbola will be of the form a plus lambda dash equal to 0. So that will be 3x square minus 2xy minus 5y square plus 7x minus 9y plus lambda dash equal to 0. Now substitute x equal to 2 and y equal to 2. So that will give 3 into 4 square, 12 varum, 12 minus 8 minus 20 plus 14 minus 18 plus lambda dash equal to 0. So upon simplifying, you will get lambda dash equal to 20. So therefore the equation is a plus lambda dash equal to 0. So the required equation is 3x square minus 2xy minus 5y square plus 7x minus 9y plus 20 equal to 0. Now, next problem is to find the equation of hyperbola conjugate to 6x square minus 7xy minus 3y square minus 2x minus 8y minus 6 equal to 0. So we need to find the equation of the conjugate hyperbola of this. Now if you have the hyperbola ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, അതിൻ്റെ conjugate hyperbola എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് that will be ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c minus 2 delta by ab minus h square equal to 0 will be the equation of conjugate hyperbola. Now a, b and h value we are from here. A is 6, b is minus 3 and h is minus 7 by 2, and delta will be this determinant. Delta is determinant a, h, g, then you have h, b, f, then g, f, c. So delta is this determinant. So നമുക്ക് ഇത്രയും values അറിയാം. So that is already our given equation. Then we need to find out this determinant delta, then ab minus h square. അത് ഇതിന് subtract ചെയ്യുക. That will give the value of the equation of the conjugate hyperbola. So let us evaluate delta. So here a will be 6, h is minus 7 by 2, b is minus 3, and g is minus 1, and f is minus 4, and c will be minus 6. So upon finding delta, so delta is this determinant. For determinant solve ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ you will get 121 by 2. So now we can evaluate 2 delta by ab minus h square. So that will be 2 delta വരുമ്പോൾ 121 വരും. Then ab is, so this is a and b, so that will be minus 18 minus h is minus 7 by 2, അപ്പോൾ h square will be 49 by 4. So upon simplifying you will get minus 4. So now we can find 2 delta by ab minus h square. So upon simplifying we will get, okay, so this is minus 4. So now substitute here. So this is our equation, then minus 2 delta by ab minus h square. So we will get minus 6 plus 2, so that is minus 2. So this is the required equation of the conjugate hyperbola.